Okay, so today we're working on this wheel horse deck, and our buddy there, he gave it to us. So we're gonna patch it up and just use it for just, something, I don't know. Maybe cutting like the field down or something, but we're patching it up with that. I cut that patch out, and it's not the greatest because it's gotta go around that, but I just took a piece of paper and traced out these lines here and traced out that pulley, and it worked. So slapping that in there, we got it all grounded down around the edges, and now we'll just have to glue her in there. Not with glue, with weld. Hey guys, John Deere 50D here. You're watching John Deere 50D on the YouTube TV. Oh, we're getting some weld in there. I forgot to turn the gas on there. It's a little shitty. But there, the gas was on, and there, it's on, but it's just, crappy metal. It's not real good, to weld to metal. We went through right there. Right there, so. Gotta get more wire now. Weld it into the Miller-Matic 135, 115 volt. So, gotta get more wire now. Hope we got it all welded up now. We had to put a patch in there. That's where the hole came through. The other hole there is for the cover. There's a hole came through there, so we had to weld that in. And we had to weld that around there. I did. So yeah, that hole's already patched there. There's a patch over here, because this thing was all wobbly. My dad fixed that for the guy a couple years ago. And we told that guy, he said, this deck could be fixed. And he just, figured he's better off buying a new one. So now we're gonna get her all cleaned up and probably throw a coat of primer on the patch, and then we're gonna throw a coat of black on the patch because I don't have any red. So there we got a coat of primer on her. Still a bit shiny, but starting to dull out. And we're probably gonna put one more coat of primer on, and then we'll probably wait 4 or 5 hours and paint it up. Almost out of primer in this can. That's the end of that. A little bit in there. Yeah, here's some other parts in the back. That's the shield. That goes on the tractor there in the front. There's the tensioner pulley And the other piece there is a lift arm that we took off. Oh, there it is. We got the paint on it. It is satin black. That's not real shiny. So, yeah. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, guys. Comment, rate, subscribe.